The Chinese leadership have actually risen to the challenge and mobilized all possible resources for tourism to contain the outbreak of the coronavirus, as well as to minimize and mitigate the casualty resulting from the coronavirus. The current indications are that new cases are declining, as the facts now show. We in Zimbabwe, I wrote to my counterpart, the president of the People's Republic of China, giving Zimbabwe support.
We are actually feeling the pain and share in the pain of the People's Republic of China on what they are going through right now. The way China dealt with the SARS, they will be able to also deal with this virus.
Potremo battere questa malattia con uno sforzo comune, tutti insieme, uno sforzo che è guidato da coloro che sono in prima linea, soprattutto il personale sanitario e le stesse persone interessate in Cina, e da tutta la comunità internazionale che si unisce intorno a coloro che sono in prima linea in questa battaglia.